Hey guys, if you would like to factory restore right here in Nintendo Switch, it doesn't really matter which one you got. This is the white model, the one that's neon version. It's the same thing, exact same instructions. Just go into your system settings. Inside your system settings, go all the way down. So just go all the way down. You're gonna see system. Under system, you're gonna see this down here below. I'm gonna scroll all the way down again. Down here below, I'm gonna see formatting options. I'm gonna press A on it. From there, scroll all the way down. And right here, this will delete everything within it. Now, let's say you guys just want to delete some stuff. So just delete saved IDs and passwords, history, websites, and all that stuff. Then just reset the first option. However, if you want to factory restore this thing, you would do it right down here. Now, if you want to format your SD card, which you just inserted, it's right here as well. You can reset your keyboard and so on. But anyways, this video is about factory restoring. So we are gonna go ahead and select this option here. Again, all we have to do is just scroll all the way down, go into next. Then it's gonna tell us caution and just go up and then you will be able to do this. So let me just press initialize. Right now, do not press the power button. Do not do anything. If your battery is low, you should have your Nintendo Switch charging at the moment because this takes just a little bit. Doesn't take too long to factory format it. And usually what I suggest doing is even if you're 100% off your battery, I would recommend having hooked up to some electricity, just charging up while you're doing this. So if you guys got the older version of your Switch or maybe your Switch is not that new anymore, the battery's not that great, then yes, have it hooked up because you don't want anything to happen while this is going on. So we're just gonna wait for those 9 minutes. Well, it's gonna be really 5 to 10 minutes, not really the full 10 minutes. All right, so after a while, you might see that your screen's black. That's okay, just press the power button on the top and you're gonna see your Nintendo initializing. So right now, it's like when it was brand new. It's factory reset. You will see that. What does that mean? Well, it means all your games got deleted, all your personal information got deleted, your account got deleted. Now, when I say your account got deleted, I don't mean... Now, when I say that your account got deleted, I do not mean that your actual account got deleted from online. It just got deleted from here. So your account is no longer integrated into this switch that we just factory reset. So if you want to delete your account, you have to go online and delete it. But other than that, it's been deleted from this switch. So if somebody buys this off you, they just have to go through a setup process, put in their own account. They won't be able to retrieve your stuff. Just remember to take out your SD card from the back. Forgot to mention that even before we formatted this. Not that it matters, but on the back, there's an SD card. So if you guys placed a micro SD card in here, take it out before formatting. Anyways, right now, it's factory reset. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.